Most intermediate abstract painters struggle with flat and lifeless paintings, even when they use bold colors. The real secret to creating interesting paintings isn't color, it's value. And once I discovered the power of value, everything changed for me. So let me show you how value can totally transform your work too. Imagine a painting where most colors have the same shade. They just have a few lights and darks. There's nothing to pull the viewer in, and it's kind of like listening to a monotone song with no high or low keys. That's kind of boring, right? And that is exactly what happens when your painting lacks value contrast. During the live feedback sessions in my course, Living Abstracts, the number one thing that I ask my students to correct in their work is value. Most people don't realize that our eyes see value before color. Flat paintings are almost always a value problem and not a color problem. So when you paint, deliberately push your lights lighter and your darks deeper. And ask yourself whether you can make your lights really pop and where you can deepen the shadows. And don't be afraid to exaggerate either, because by increasing the contrast, you're going to bring your painting to life even if you don't change a single color. To paint strong paintings, you need both intuition and structure. And remember, with structure comes confidence. Believe me, I know that using the full range of values can feel really scary because I've been there. After all, it means you have to commit, right? Bold darks and strong lights, though, they demand attention and they can change everything about your painting. That's why it often feels like the hardest part. But think of your painting like a photograph, right? You've probably seen photos with poor contrast, and you know how flat and lifeless they can look. So, adding strong lights and darks is like adjusting the contrast on a photo. It instantly brings everything back to life. At this point in my painting, I actually have some contrast going on, but look what happens when I bring more of that dark purple in. Now, the dark colors do a lot next to the midtones, but look what happens when I add my lightest light next to that darkest dark. You see how it pops? The high contrast is bringing the painting to life. It might feel safe to stay in those midtones, but Safe is exactly what makes a painting less interesting. So, if you want your work to stand out, you need to take a risk. You need to push your values. That's how you're going to make your work stronger and more exciting. So, remember the depth and movement that you see in great paintings. That's not color doing that heavy lifting, that's value structure at work. And it's not about luck, it's all about learning to see and having the confidence to commit to it. If you want to stop guessing and actually see the value structure before you ever touch color, I've put together a clarity kit for you. Inside, you'll find the free clarity checklist that will help you make strong decisions in your work. And you'll also find a free 3-part video workshop that covers value, variety, and color. The link is in the description. And if you're ready to go even deeper and beyond value, variety, and color, and get my personal feedback on your work, check out Living Abstracts. It's my 8-week mentorship for abstract painters who want to close the gap between intuition and intention. That link is in the description too. All right, before I go, I would love to hear back from you. So tell me what your biggest struggle with value is. Drop it in the comments. I would love to hear that. All right, guys, I'll see you again next week. Bye.